Hi there, welcome. I'm Mikhail Patrick Bovines, and welcome to Soul-utions. Soul-utions is something that I kind of coined back in the late 90s, early turn of the century, about our need and our desire for having a sense of empowerment and wholeness within our personal lives. I know for myself, I was seeking and searching for that very diligently through the 80s and 90s. And as I was seeking and searching through many different modalities of understanding the mind, understanding the soul, the spirit, understanding religion and its role in developing this, it became very clear to me, and there's been an understanding of how this all fits together. And then with most recent events such as the Me Too movement, where the feminine energy, the women of our world is saying, this is enough, we're not going to be treated as less than or diminished in any sort of way. And that's so much of what I was teaching back then about the balance of masculine and feminine energy and how important and crucial it is in order for us to be whole and complete as an individual. What is important is I developed a teaching style and I kind of pulled together everything I've learned and understood. And there was something that kept coming up throughout the teachings and wisdoms that I knew in my heart and heart was truth, and that aligned for me at the time especially, and that has still continued to align with me, and that is that our world that we live in has been twisted and distorted by male chauvinism. And the male chauvinism is the part that elevates the masculine and denigrates, devalues the feminine. And that's been so out of balance from the time I was born until now, recently becoming more conscious and aware, but we're kind of at a pinnacle right now, I believe, in our world. 2019, we're in a pinnacle of realizing this is never going to lead us to the future we desire, to be out of balance. We need to bring ourselves into balance. We need to understand what the feminine nature is and stop judging it and repressing it and understanding its unique power and its beauty of wholeness that it offers. So it was a thread that was woven through so many classes and courses I took that I didn't really pull it all together until last year, actually. And as I did that, it just like a light went on, everything came together, and I'm like, wow, this is what it's all about. And that's where I reference graduating. I got the big picture and the little picture. I got how all I've done in my life has led me to this point where I'm here to help share my information to you, and to help you to move forward. Now, one thing I want to be very clear on is that Soul-utions is not a religion. Because in my definition of religion is, well, the true meaning of religion, re means to return to. Religious is alignment with self. Religion's purpose is to help you to realign with yourself. And yourself, not your ego, yourself is made up of what I believe is your soul and spirit, your true self, your empowered self, your divine self, if you like. And then we have our ego, which has to deal with everyday life. So when I say religion is to help you to realign with yourself, it's your capital S, your real self, not your personality self necessarily. And Soul-utions is not a religion, it's a relationship. And I'm not here to teach you something new that you don't know already. But what I am here to do is to help you to remember something you already know. I'm here to help you to remember something you have forgotten. And I'm here to help you to find something you've lost of your power, your strength, your beauty. That's what Soul-utions is about.